dream is to be a pioneer and an irreplaceable hardware store. To be the perfect modern lifestyle hardware store. With a mission to provide the best products and services, we ensure that the products offered are of the best quality at the best price and to be the best hardware store in Malaysia. We guarantee that you will always be satisfied with our store and shop without hesitation. At the Purple Toolbox, each employees receive through training to ensure our customer feel equipped to take renovation and projects. We like to get to know our customer personally, so you can count on friendly greeting and a smile each time you stop by. We guarantee that higher quality product sourced from a reputable manufacturer for the best quality, most durable materials for your home. You are bound to find a selection of products that are not only better quality, but are more unique and noticeable original. We support the specific needs of our communities.
Saya sangat suka membeli peralatan sekolah di Purple Toolbox. Sungguh berbaloi-baloi.
Purple Toolbox.
Purple Toolbox memang terbaik.
Saya suka membeli di The Purple Toolbox. Semuanya ada.
We hope you will join our family of loyal shoppers at the Purple Toolbox for all your home improvement needs.